How to become an ML engineer. Hey there! Are you passionate about machine learning and want to become an ML engineer? Well, you're in the right place. Becoming an ML engineer requires a strong foundation in mathematics, programming, and data analysis. You'll be working with cutting-edge technologies and algorithms to build intelligent systems. Here's a quick breakdown of the pathway to becoming an ML engineer. 1. Learn the fundamentals. Start by mastering the fundamentals of machine learning, including statistics, linear algebra, and probability. Understand key concepts like supervised and unsupervised learning. 2. Programming skills. Develop your programming skills, particularly in Python and R. These languages are widely used in the field of ML and will be essential for implementing algorithms and working with data. 3. Data wrangling and preprocessing. Learn how to handle and preprocess data, including techniques like feature engineering, data cleaning, and normalization. This step is crucial for ensuring quality input to your ML models. 4. Algorithms and models. Deep dive into various ML algorithms and models, such as linear regression, decision trees, neural networks, and more. Understand their strengths, weaknesses, and when to use them. 5. Hands-on projects. Put your skills into practice by working on real-world ML projects. Building and deploying ML models will enhance your practical understanding and showcase your abilities. And that's it. By following this pathway and with the right guidance from Sprintzeal, you'll be on your way to becoming a successful ML engineer. Subscribe to Sprintzeal for more educational content.